boom, we are back. Firewood. We'll get right down to it. We'll get some cameras set up and start showing you some stuff. Plan here for the day is our manifold doesn't work with our new setup. I'm gonna mark all my holes, drill all my holes. We'll get the shape cut out, and this is gonna be the start of our own custom header. Cardboard. We need to get this pattern to trace onto our other piece. So there she is on there. I'm thinking now if we take this piece of pipe, bend a U in it, it should bring us off and come out this way and have a support here so that we can bring over to the side of the cab. Now you kind of get the concept. I'll get this here welded out. A couple big gaps, but it shouldn't be too bad. Before I finish her up, I got my template back on there. You'll see there's a couple spots. I'll take the die grinder and we'll get these all port matched and it should be good. There you have it. Got This under here to weld yet. And that's that. Anyhow, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Do whatever you can. Support me any way you can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.